Good morning. We shall be covering the topic occupation, which is a part of SST Class 3, Lesson 6, Learning About Works. I am Deepa Pant, a part of Social Studies team of Primary Segment of DAV Public School, Sector 14, Faridabad. The objective of learning this topic is to know that there are various occupations that people pursue to earn their livelihood. To understand the meaning and significance of different occupations, identify and classify different occupations. Last but not the least, to appreciate the dignity of labor, that is, we must understand that all occupations play an important role in our society and help our nation to grow. Instructional aids used. The teacher will use the following teaching aids: PowerPoint presentation, pictures and videos relevant to the topic, white and blackboard. Apart from this, we will cover multiple intelligences of the students like social, verbal, interpersonal, etc. Student will role play to enact a particular occupation. We will also be using visual spatial intelligence to give a sense of directions to the students. In order to test the previous knowledge, students will be asked to collect pictures from old magazines and newspapers of the people from different occupations. Paste them on A4 size sheet and will be asked to use their own creativity to paint or use any other material available at home to make this artwork attractive. Teaching methodology. As a part of methodology, teacher will relate the topic with a real life situation, and through experiential learning, she would explain the topic in an interactive manner. Students will be playing the central role and teacher will draw answers from them. The lesson will be explained with a colorful, attractive PowerPoint presentation. Topic to be discussed. So, we shall be discussing about occupation. Occupation is defined as any work done to earn the livelihood. Some of the occupation pursued by the people are learned through family tradition or by watching others. Such occupations do not require special training. For example, farmer, potter, handcart puller, coolie, etc. Then the teacher will explain all about all these occupations. There are some occupations which require special training. People learn about these in their school and colleges and use the knowledge thus required in the occupation they pursue. For example, a doctor learns about medicines in the medical college and use his knowledge to treat the patient. A pilot learns about flying an aeroplane in a flying school. After getting trained, they are able to fly the aeroplane. Activity. As a part of the activity, students will be asked to perform roles of different types of occupation. They may use props and will be asked to speak 2 to 3 lines on the occupation they are role playing. Remaining students will listen. This will result in joyful and peer learning. Transdisciplinary project. Apart from the activity, we shall do a transdisciplinary project which will give a sense to the students how different regions with different geographical situations have people pursuing different kinds of occupation. For example, in Haryana, which is a landlocked state, has farming as the main occupation. Kerala, which is a coastal state, has fishing as a main occupation. As a part of a project, the even roll numbers, students will be asked to bring few pictures of main occupation of Kerala, and the odd ones will do the same for Haryana. To complete their transdisciplinary project, students would use any type of A4 size sheet, pictures from old magazines, newspapers, or internet, pasting and coloring material. They will decorate the notice board with A4 sheets having pictures pasted on them, and verbally they will inform the audience why there is a difference in some of the occupations in two regions. They will also inform about the main festivals of that region. For example, Lohri for Haryana and Onam for Kerala. They will also make a collage of pictures of that festival. What we expect by doing this project. Outcome of this project. The student will learn not only about the different occupations in a playway manner, but also would learn the culture and other art forms. Activity would generate more interest as the attractive, colorful way of learning goes deep in the learning rather than just in the books. I would like to quote a quotation. Listen carefully. I hear, I forget. I see, I remember. I do, I understand. Homework. As a part of homework, students will be given a set of questions related to the topic. Recapitulations. Just to recapitulate what we have learnt, we first learnt about what an occupation is. We then learnt about different types of occupations. There are some occupations which are learned through family tradition and do not require any special training, whereas there are occupations which require special education and training. We also gave few examples of both types of occupations. Evidences and assessment. As a evidence of good learning, we will have the homework done by the students and the artwork shown by the students. Adding to it, we shall take class test to gauge their knowledge. Learning outcome. After finishing this topic, the students will be able to have a good understanding about the meaning of occupation. They will be able to differentiate between different types of occupations. They will have learnt about the occupations that does not require a special training and the ones which require special training.